Hello everyone, welcome to In Germany. So today we are going to talk about a big news update. So there's been a major update that has got a lot of students talking. So while the US has made it harder for the international students to get their visas, Germany has done the right opposite and actually welcoming international students with open arms. So German's ambassador Dr. Philipp Ackermann just made a statement in New Delhi saying that there's been a 35% rise in applications from Indian students, and that's huge. He said, and I'm quoting it here, we're looking for the smartest and the most dedicated students, and we see that in Indian students. So yeah, it's pretty direct. Germany wants Indian students. Now comparing that to the US, where there are stricter visa rules and delays, even the ones with solid admits are facing rejections and waiting forever for their visa. Parents are obviously getting nervous because it's expensive, it's unpredictable, and kind of a gamble right now. So naturally, students are considering Germany. Let's be real, because Germany makes a strong case. Because there are no tuition fees in public universities even for the international students, and you just cover the living expenses, which will be around 800 to 1,200 euros a month, depending on which city you're in. The education system is solid, very research focused, and the English taught programs are increasing every year. And the best part is the post-study options are actually clear. So after graduation, you have 18 months to find a full-time job. So if you find one, you can apply for the EU Blue Card, which is a legit pathway for permanent residency. Also, their job market needs skilled people, especially in tech, data, healthcare, and engineering. So basically, if you've got skills, they need you. Now, looking at the next 4 to 5 years, Germany is becoming one of the top study abroad destinations, not just for Indian students, but also for the international students who are tired of the UK and US visa mess. The lifestyle is also great, safe cities and a lot of international students. There are a lot of Indian restaurants and stores as well, so you won't miss home too much. So yeah, while the US is getting tougher, Germany is clearly opening up, and it really makes you wonder, is Germany the new USA when it comes to education? Because few years ago it was dramatic, but now not so much. Let me know what you think, and if you're considering Germany now, drop in the comments. Oh, and if you're one of them, then here's something that you'll need. So in this guide, you'll get a bunch of stuff like Masters in Germany student guide, applying to TU9 checklist, samples of CV, SOPs and LOR, application tracker, and many more. So link is in the description, so grab it when you're watching. So if you want more updates like this or just need help in figuring out your study abroad journey, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to In Germany. Catch you in the next one.